Hey guys, in this video we're top 5 best beach wagon that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Max Sports Collapsible Folding Beach Wagon. These features have helped in the steady evolution of this brand into one of the leading producers and distributors of collapsible furniture all around the world. Since their inception, Max Sports has provided customers with excellently performing products and has since branched out into the manufacture of other products such as juvenile and garden furniture. The Max Sports Collapsible Folding Outdoor Utility Wagon is a member of their product family, and by association, it is one of their best products to ever exist on the market. There are numerous functional features possessed by the Max Sports Beach Cartwheels, and these features ensure that it delivers nothing but the best in function and performance. An adjustable handle is included in the design of all Mac utility wagons for easy transportation of the cart from one place to the other, no matter the kind of terrain. It also enables you to keep your beverages secure at all times by providing users with 2 mesh cup holders. This utility wagon is exceptionally durable, and this is ensured through its sturdy construction. Moving on at number 4, we have the Max Sports Heavy Duty Beach Wagon. The manufacturers of Max Sports wagons and all their outdoor furniture are themselves outdoor people, and as such, they understand the needs of their fellow members. They understand the importance of convenience and relaxation in a person's life, and as such, design these wagons to suit those specific needs. There's no location that the Max Sports fold-up wagon cannot be used on. It'll be by your side while you go camping and cater for all your needs on days where you desire to go tailgating. If you need a wagon for your kid's soccer game, this utility wagon is there for you too, cheering your kid on in its unique way. Every occasion feels different from the Max Sports all-terrain utility wagon. It is a product engineered to make it possible for everyone to enjoy the outdoors, by offering convenience, comfortability and maximum flexibility on every location and for every occasion. With a wagon such as this, there are no issues of spilled drinks or phone destruction via drowning during one of your many night fishing trips. The Max Sports wagon can be used at the lake while you're netting your big catch. At number 3, we have the Amazon Basics Beach Wagon. The Amazon Basics Collapsible Folding Outdoor Garden Utility Wagon. You'll find ways to utilize the simple convenience in your everyday chores. Gardeners love being able to put all the tools in this wagon, as well as plants, ready and within reach when you prepare the ground for planting. It's also handy to take with you when you are camping, going on a picnic or shopping. With a decent capacity of 264 pounds, there's not much you can't take with you regardless of where you need it. This beach wagon offers you unbeatable convenience, and it can be completely collapsed when it's not in use for space-saving storage and a neat carry bag to keep it out of sight. It also has an extendable handle made of sturdy steel tubing, making the chore of getting things around simple and easy on your back. The kids will also love this fun wagon for their toys, pets and whatever else comes to mind. At number 2, we have the Seina Collapsible Utility Beach Wagon and Cart. The Seina Collapsible Beach Wagon and Cart is one of the best beach carts in the world today, and it's one we advise you to consider when searching for the perfect beach wagon for your outdoor explorations. This beach cart is merely the best, perfect for all those who are incredibly active in their homes, as well as those who love going outdoors with friends and family. This utility wagon is the epitome of versatility and cannot be compared with any other brand. The Seina wagon is constructed with both polyester fabric and a durable, powder-coated steel frame, materials that ensure that the product is long-lasting. The steel used in this construction is highly resistant to corrosion and rust, while the sturdy polyester fabric used provides longevity of the unit. All 4 wheels included in the design of this collapsible wagon are made from 8 inches of heavy-duty rubber and thus are suitable for use on all terrains and road surfaces, whether they're rocky or uneven. In addition to such robust tire features, the Seina accommodates a weight of 150 pounds and above but can be folded up for easy storage when it's not needed. And finally at number 1, we have the ONIVA Collapsible Beach Wagon. The sturdy and collapsible ONIVA Adventure Wagon is a well-engineered utility wagon, launched by its manufacturers to help save your back from imminent damage. This wagon is ideal for the hauling of all your gear, from gardening tools to beach picnic necessities and camping gear. There's nothing that can't be carried with this beautiful utility wagon. The Adventure Folding Wagon from ONIVA features a steel frame construction, made from powder-coated steel. It is also made with a durable two-tone polyester canvas that can be cleaned with ease. Concerning movement and ease of transportation, the ONIVA wagon is built with a telescoping handle that makes carrying an exciting activity. It also features comfortable setting up and storage, thanks to its compact design. To store this wagon freely, you can fold it and place it into its proper cover, and a unit included upon purchase. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.